Tired of writing formulas just to see what changed in Excel? Meet CompareSheets, the Excel add-in that compares your files by unique identifiers, not just cell by cell. It works on Windows, Mac, and Excel Online. Let's see how it works. For best results, start with a blank Excel workbook before running the comparison. Headers in both files must start from A1 cell. Avoid merged cells. Step 1. Select the files and sheets to compare. Step 2. Confirm or select the key columns. These are the unique identifiers for your data. Step 3. Optional exclude any columns you don't want to track. And the comparison is complete. Simply close the task pane to view the results. Here's how to read the output. New columns are highlighted in green. Deleted columns are highlighted in red. Filter by the status column to see. Deleted rows. Matched rows where no changes were found. New rows. Updated rows shown in 2 lines, updated old and updated new, with updated cells highlighted in yellow. Don't miss the Summary of Changes tab for a quick overview of files used, rules applied, and the total counts. That's CompareSheets, a validated Compare Excel add-in. Smart, fast, and audit-ready. For more details, visit CompareSheets.com. Thank you for watching.